for today I would like to introduce you to the sixth law of indices. So for the first one, a to the power of x times a to the power of y equals to a to the power of x plus y. So for the first one, I would like to show you, I would like to give you an example. A to the power of 5 times a to the power of 3. So before you want to solve the question, you need to make sure that both of the base are the same. If both of the base are not the same, then you can't solve it. Yeah, like that. So a to the power of 5 plus 3 equals to a to the power of 8. So for the next one, a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y equals to a to the power of x minus y. So let me give you another example. From a to the power of 10 divided a to the power of 4. So that's just the same as the first law, which we need to make sure that both of the base are the same. So you can see that both of the base are the same, so we can solve the question. So a to the power of 10 minus 4 equals to a to the power of 6. So for the next one, e to the power of 2 bracket 3. So what we need to do is actually we need to multiply. 3 need to multiply by 2. So a 2 multiplied by 3 equals to a to the power of 6. So for the next one, a to the power of 0 equals to 1. So if you still press the calculator, 5 to the power of 0 still equals to 1. And you also press 6 to the power of 0, it still equals to 1. So no matter what number, the power of 0 is still equals to 1. So for the next one is a to the power of negative x equals to 1 over a to the power of x. So let me give you an example. A to the power of 5 divided to a to the power of 7. So because you can see that both base are the same, so they're using divide, so we need to subtract it. 5 minus 7 equals to a to the power of negative 2. So if there are negative right here, we need to change it to the 1 over a to the power of 2. For the next one is a to the power of x over y. So what we should do? Okay, let me give you another example. A to the power of 3 over 2 equals to, okay. So this part is for the power, and the number 2 is for the roots. Okay, the easy way for me to remember that which one is power, which one is root, I just remember is that the upper part is more power than the lower part. Yep, like that. So you can easily just memorize it like that. So so you can see like the roots are 2, so we need to root that, and the power is 3. And we do like that of 3. Yeah.
Okay, so for the first question, which is 6a, highlight the point which is p equals to 5 power of x and q equals to 5 power of y. Okay. Then convert 25 and 125 into index form. And solve it. Okay, so since we know that P equals to 5 power of X and Q equals to 5 power of Y, so we can convert 5 power of 2X and 5 power of 2Y into P and Q. And convert 5 power of 3X and 5 power of 3Y into P and Q too. Okay, so next, change the divide sign into a multiplication sign. So it will be like this. Okay, so next bring Q power of negative 3 into the numerator. So that it will be easier to express in P and Q. Then bring P to the denominator. Then solve this equation and you will get Q power of 5 over P.
Okay, so soalan next ni, dia minta find the value of P. Okay, so salin dulu dia punya equation ni. Lepas tu, tukar yang 64 ni jadi 8 square. Okay, so 8 square P power 6 ni, dia sama dengan 8P cube golongan square kan. So, tukar ni jadi ni. Okay, korang mesti macam pening kan asal kena tukar kan. Okay, buat dulu. Kita buat dulu. 8P cube power of negative 2n over 3. Ni sama je. Tak ada tukar apa-apa pun. Okay, kenapa kena tukar? Sebab last-last nanti kita akan compare dua-dua ni tau. So dia akan lagi senang nak compare kalau dia punya index ni sama. So sebab tu akan tukar. Okay. So kan ni ada per 3 ni kan. So dia macam susah sikit kalau nak darab ni dengan ni kalau dia bukan nombor bulat kan. So kita darab ni dengan ni, darab dengan 3 so that lagi senang nak darab. Okay, so ni darab 3, ni darab 3. So yang ni jadi 8P cube power of negative 2n. Ni 1 per P tolak 1 power of 2n. Sini. Okay. So next, kita just darab 1 per P tolak 1 ni dengan 3 je. Yang 2n ni biar lu. Okay. So jadi 8P cube power of negative 2n sama dengan 1 cube. 1 cube ni sekali nak letak ke tak? Sebab dia kalau 1 cube dia akan jadi 1 juga. So tak ada beza pun kalau letak ke tak. So ni cube. Okay, 2n. Okay, so kan ni kan dia ada negatif kan. So kalau nak kena jadi positif, kena tukar yang ni. So dia akan jadi 1 per 8P cube power 2n sama dengan 1 P tolak 1 cube 2n. Okay, so dari sini kita boleh nampak yang 8P cube ni sama dengan P tolak 1 cube. So keluarkan dua-dua ni. So dia jadi 8P cube sama dengan P tolak 1 cube. Okay, so kecilkan 8 ni. Nampak tak? Kan 8P cube dia sama dengan 2P cube kan. Jangan lupa
dia kalau ada kurungan ni, yang ni dengan yang ni dia beza. Kalau ni dia 3, yang 2 ni kena ni sekali. Kalau macam ni dia pin ni je yang ada cube ni. Okay. Okay, so tukar 8 ni, 8p cube ni jadi 2p dan kurungan 3. Okay, kenapa kena tukar? Sebab dia macam lagi boleh nampak persamaan yang ni dengan yang ni. Yang ni dalam kurungan 3, yang ni pun cube juga. Okay, so dari sini juga kita boleh nampak yang 2p ni sama dengan p tolak 1. Okay, so 2p sama dengan p tolak 1 kan. Okay, so solve lah yang ni. So jadilah ni, lepas tu samalah p sama dengan tolak 1. Tolak 1, p sama dengan -1.